Welcome, today I am with SoundPeats TrueAir 2 and I will show you how you can turn them on manually. So as you can see in my case, both earbuds are turned off, indicators are not on the red, yellow, green or white color. And how to turn them on? That's very simple. We have to grab both earbuds to our hands and then press and hold this S button for 1.5 seconds. So let's make it right now. And now release. You will hear notification that they are powered on, and right now as you can see they are automatically connected. So in most cases they are turned off when you put them back to the case like that, and also turn it on when you remove them from the case. But if you have problem that they are not going to be turned on after removing from the case, you can use this method. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.